Good morning, students. Myself, Alok Kumar Misra, is going to explain about the most important topic of the physics, electric generator. It plays very important role in our daily life or in domestic purposes to produce electricity as well as in industrial purposes. Okay, how it works and what are its function, what are the principle behind this electric generator, we will discuss about that, and what are the properties of the electric generator, characteristics of electric generator. Okay, so what does it do? Electric generator is a device, a machine which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. By the help of electric generator, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Here, mechanical energy is used to rotate rectangular coil or any coil placed in magnetic field. So, we will just discuss about its principle. Second, important parts of the generator. How to convert AC generator into DC generator and uses. I have drawn here AC generator. Okay, students. So I am going to explain again. It is a machine, device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The mechanical energy is used to rotate the coil in magnetic field. It is based on a principle of electromagnetic induction. It is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which was discovered by Michael Faraday, a great scientist. Okay, so this phenomenon is very important, on which the electric generator is based. So electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? We will see. Okay, when there is a relative motion between coil and a magnet, then induced EMF or current is produced. On this principle, electric generator works. Okay, so the principle on which electric generator is based is that the electromagnetic induction, and the direction of induced current is determined by the use of Fleming right hand rule. It consists of, here the generator consists of various important parts. A rectangular coil. Here, second, a rectangular coil, armature. Here armature is A, B, C, D. It is made up of soft iron core in the rectangular form, which is placed in a permanent magnet permanent magnet. So second part of this is second part of field magnet, field magnet, field magnet. Third part is here two slip rings, okay, slip rings. In AC, slip rings are used, and in DC, split rings are used. Understand? So, on this basis, its name is AC and DC. So, slip rings is used. Fourth, two brushes here, B1 and B2. Understands this part. And fifth, electric circuit in which galvanometer or for the detection of current is used. So electric circuit I have to write here because second, fourth, fifth part is electric circuit to produce current in that. And sixth, axle, very important part of that axle is used. Understands? When, how does it? Okay, so one by one we'll discuss. A rectangular coil is made up of soft iron core on which laminated copper wire enters or wrapped. The terminals of the ends of the rectangular coil A, B, C and D is connected with two rings at different places, R1 and R2. Two rings at different places, R1 and R2, are connected together with axles such that axles rotates with slip rings and rectangular coil. After two brushes B1 and B2 are set in such a way that these are gently in contact with slip rings in such a way that the rectangular coil ABCD rotates without rotating the brushes. Hence, brushes are in a state of rest, in a stationary position, and the ends of the two brushes B1 and B2 are connected with galvanometer together with switch. When the rectangular coil is rotated here in clockwise, when rectangular coil, my dear students, without rotating the coil, electricity cannot be produced here in this field. So, first of all, mechanical energy should be used to rotate the rectangular coil in magnetic field. Hence, when the rectangular coil is rotated, here in clockwise, then AB moves up, CD moves down. Clockwise, then induced current is produced in the coil ABC. Induced current produced along AB and along CD. If it is rotated in clockwise and if it is rotated in anti-clockwise, then the current will be reversed. This is indicated by the deflection occurring in the galvanometer, and thus it works to produce induced EMF. the direction of current, the direction of here north pole of the magnet and here south pole of the magnet. So in which rectangular coil is placed? In which rectangular coil is placed? And here the direction of B is from north to south, and here the motion in the conductor, here conductor is rectangular coil is rotated in anti-clockwise, then here the current moves along AB and returning here from CD, thus induced current is produced. What is the function of slip rings? Slip rings is metallic rings in shape of rings. Okay, so that's why it is known as slip rings, and which are attached with the axle. Inside it is insulated, understand, and it is rotated with the rotation of the axle. Here axle, this part is axles now. Okay, this part is axles. Hence, but brushes B1 and B2 are in a stationary position. It should not be rotated in such a way that these are stationary, these are fixed in that. These are gently touching these rings. Okay, now how can we convert this AC generator into DC? In place of slip rings, we use a split ring. It is also called commutator. It is also called commutator in DC. So, and commutator is used in DC motor, or similarly here DC generator. So, commutator in DC generator is used. This is very important. It generally comes in exam, how to convert AC generator into DC. So, in place of slip rings, DC generator, we use a split ring. We use a split ring as works as commutator. Understands? So this is used to produce induced EMF or induced current. So it plays very important role in the field of science, physics, and everywhere. Without generator we can't produce here maximum value of electricity. So a small source can be used to here like cells, but here it is, so it is also called dynamo. The meaning electric generator, so it generates electricity by the conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so this, I hope that this concept, this function and principle will help you to increase your knowledge in the field of electric generator. Okay, thank you.